Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we're continuing work on the world's worst flathead. If you watched the last video, we just got done doing 7 days electrolysis, cleaning it somewhat. It looks better. It may no longer be the world's worst flathead, but we all know where it came from. So today, in this video, we're going to continue working on it a little bit. We got some broken head studs to get out, and I'm going to show you how to tackle that. Not with a welder, oh no, with a pipe wrench. Let's get right to that. So, we're messing around with this old flathead again. And luckily, or unluckily I suppose, we have 3 broken head bolts when we were disassembling this thing, which, in all honesty, is pretty good, considering the shape we've seen this thing in. So we're going to remove these bolts right quick. Now, we don't need to mess around with welding nuts on these or anything. They're sticking out so far. All we're going to need is an old pipe wrench. So I guess we'll get to it. I mean, I guess that just goes to show you the quality of the metal Ford was using back in the 50s. Shape this thing was in, we only broke 3 head bolts and 3 intake bolts. Pretty awesome. There's one. Last one. This is mold wire from when they sandcasted this. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Let's see if we can get one of these intake bolts out. They're a lot shorter, so I don't know if we'll be able to, but we will try. These are probably too short to get, so we will probably have to weld the nut onto that one, probably that one, and do it that way. But if they're long enough, pipe wrench works. So common sense tech tip, I guess, maybe, I don't know. But if this is helpful, leave a sub and a like and a comment telling me how it was or wasn't helpful. I do like the negative comments. But until next time.